All right, I've got one for you today. This is a home I just listed priced at $490,000 right here in Spring Valley. And we're not just walking through the house, we're breaking down the neighborhood, the lifestyle, why this area keeps popping up and why this area keeps people around long term. Because by the end of this video, you'll understand why Spring Valley isn't just where people live, it's where they stay. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about moving to San Diego, then subscribe and click that bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the current market here in San Diego, California. My name is Victoria Sandoval and I'm with Select From Your Properties. We get calls from people just like you every single day. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out. My contact information is on the description below and I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to San Diego. Now let's check out this beauty. Spring Valley sits right between La Mesa, El Cajon, and Bonita. You've got access to the 94, the 125, and 54, which makes commuting realistic without feeling like your life revolves around traffic. Let's start right here. The home is located on Charwood Court, a quieter residential pocket where you're off the main roads, which is exactly what most buyers ask for. All right, let's head inside. First impressions matter, and what I like here is how open and functional the layout feels right when you walk in. You'll notice the natural light that's clean, it's bright, which makes the space feel larger and even easier to furnish. You've also got storage and laundry conveniently built in, small details that make a huge difference long term. This living room area gives you flexibility, space for full seating setup without feeling cramped. It's laid out in a way that actually works for everyday living. The bathrooms here are straightforward and functional, clean, usable, and ready for daily life. And this kitchen, it's efficient, it's well positioned, everything's within reach, with enough counter space and storage to function without wasted square footage. And this dining area connects naturally to the kitchen and the living space, making it ideal for everyday meals and entertaining. And the primary bedrooms gives you separation from the main living areas, room for a full bedroom setup, storage, and breathing room, and you have a walk-in closet. At $490,000, this home lands in a price that's becoming harder to find in San Diego County, especially with amenities and HOA coverage like this. The best part is it's an M unit, which is right next to street parking, so parking space here is unlimited. Now, one thing I love about Spring Valley is that you have mountain views from almost anywhere. No matter where you live in Spring Valley, surrounded by nature, by greenery, by mountains. It's just a zen place to live, which who would complain about that? And here for the practical part, HOA covers water, trash, pickup, and common area maintenance. That means fewer monthly bills to track and less weekend maintenance. This home sits in a community that offers tennis courts, a pool, a spa hot tub, and barbecue areas, amenities that actually get used, not just listed on paper. You've also got places like Eucalyptus County Park, plus quick access to Sweetwater Reservoir and La Mesa Village and Bonita. This home works well for first-time home buyers, downsizers, military families, or anyone who wants a manageable home with amenities without stretching into uncomfortable price territory. If you want a private tour of this home or have questions about whether it fits your situation, reach out directly. If you want more real, no-fluff San Diego home tours like this one, make sure to follow and tell me what neighborhood you want me to tour next. Now let's zoom out for a minute because Spring Valley has a deeper story than most people realize. One of the area's most important landmarks is Herbert H. Bancroft Ranch House, an old American-built home in East County that still stands just minutes away. All right, guys, that concludes our tour of 3067 Charwood Court in beautiful Spring Valley. If you know anyone looking to move to the Spring Valley area, make sure to send them this video. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.